Hi, welcome to Once Upon a Fold. Look at this cute pumpkin. It's a box, but not an ordinary one. An atom box filled with light, maybe a few sweets. A box for those days when you wish your mind felt as light and empty as paper. In modern life, we've built so many boxes around us. At home, in our minds, in our hearts. Boxes full of things we once thought were important. But now they just take up space. Our minds are full of noise, of duties, of thoughts we never finished. And when everything piles up, the light disappears and breathing becomes harder. Sometimes we need to empty things out, even when it feels difficult, to make space for air to return, for light to find its way back in. This box I'm folding now is a small practice in that. A reminder that having less is another way of staying alive. Each fold is a deep breath. Each line a quiet decision for peace. Each corner that forms brings a little order back to the mind. Autumn teaches us the same lesson. The tree lets go of its leaves, not because it's tired, but because it knows that letting go is how it lives again. To bloom again, it first has to lighten its branches. We've learned to always be full of tasks, full of thoughts, full of half-finished things. But real calm only comes when we let one small corner stay empty. A place for silence, for breathing, for nothing. When this box is finished, I won't fill it with random things. I've leave it empty. Because empty space is beautiful. That's where energy moves and light enters. Maybe I place a small light inside. A warm glow, a few tiny sweets. To remind myself that life is made of these little things we often overlook. A cup of tea, a smile, a quiet pause. We keep chasing more, but maybe meaning lives in less. In being simpler, lighter, slower. This box isn't just a craft. It's a quiet exercise in clearing the clutter and finding my way back to inner space. If your world feels crowded, start with one box. Clear one small space on your desk or in your mind. Let the light find its way back in, and remember, sometimes the emptiest boxes hold the brightest light. If you enjoyed this quiet moment, don't forget to subscribe for more stories.